Malaga. It's too much alcohol. Are you good? Okay? Are you okay? Viral. You see this? Everybody drinking. I've had something like that. Everybody having fun. Hello, 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 hello. You must be dreaming. Let's go. Go, let's go around. When you go upstairs, you're gonna sleep. Look at this. This is New Year in Malaga. People. This is the celebration, the party for all ages. Babies. I've seen babies actually. My best material ever. Is there an after party band? Okay. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! I see those with little alcohol. I see those with little alcohol. I only greet the ones with at least 80% of alcohol in the blood. Now you'll see different kinds of people. Some going there, some going there. Now some asking money. I feel the suka in my throat. It's a little bit sour. This is the Instagrammer. What else? Ah, nice. I'm surprised to see them here. Look. Look. I'm surprised to see them here. No, the ones This is the best New Year ever! And from here, you're gonna see from all over the world, right? Tourists. It's not just from Spain, all over the world. Some left over. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Merry Christmas. We haven't been to the here. I mean left side at least. I went here. Yeah, I know that. We haven't been here. Feliz Navidad. The others still come here. Can you imagine if you don't live here? Yeah, you live somewhere else, you're apart from them. It's gonna be tough. But look at us, our hotel. So beautiful, really nice. People don't care. Everybody taking film. Really, it's everywhere. You cannot stop at people. Location wise, you know the one we cancelled, the hotel we cancelled, it's also close, but this one is closer to the main. You know, really, this is the Spanish people. They know how to enjoy life. All ages. You see, we're not only young. You see old people. They're happy. And old people, grandmas, grandfathers, and grandmothers just having fun. They're dancing together with some teenagers, maybe not teenagers, like 20s, 30s. Nobody cares anymore. They just want to have fun. That's the nice thing about it. So you expect spread of COVID in January. Can't believe it.
Fucked up now.
My God. Maybe we have COVID now. We've been with a lot of people.
Okay, COVID.
Huh?
I'm older 1 year.
What? You're not afraid of COVID?
No.
You're just afraid of aging? You know, me, aging. I've forgotten my age.
Good for you.
I hope I don't get COVID when I get back to Norway because I have to work. Been with a lot of people, with strangers. This is really crazy. Done. Somebody vlogging. Look, permanent.
Yeah, I saw it.
Just permanent. Can you do live stream on Facebook? I want to see this. Look. Look at this. Look at that. Look, look, look. This is the aftermath. Look. my gosh, there's even a canned good. What is that? Somebody got hungry. Oh my god, so messy. I guess it's like this every year. It's really messy. You know, we've been dancing a lot, but I never thought it's this, like this. Camila! Somebody brought a dog. No edit. Just post it. So, connect. Actually, this happens all gathering. All gathering. Not really. And people saying, you know. After the fun, it's like at home. They have fun and who's gonna clean up now. Okay, I'm gonna greet now. I'm gonna say goodbye. Bye bye. Click like and subscribe.